Hello friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today I'm going to teach you how to use on-screen keyboard when your keyboard keys like ctrl S and some other key combination are not working. So at that time you need some system support, right? So and your data is also very important, so you can use on-screen keyboards. So let's start it from here. So how to invoke this on-screen keyboard? So first press this window key from your keyboard, and from this window key you type on screen, right? On once you type on, your on screen keyboard is highlighted here. You just press enter it on it, and then your on screen keyboard is invoked right in front of our screen. Now if you want to save this file, you just press ctrl and then save. So this will save your file, right? You just see the status bar here, over here, ctrl S. And if you want to type some formula here, you can use like type 1 and then press enter, again type another number 2, press enter, and you want to formula sum these number, right? But your keyboard system or desktop keyboard is not working, so you can use equal sign and then press sum, start bracket, sorry, equal sign sum, shift key, bracket start, and this is your first cell, right? So F16, type F16 and give the colon sign, not this one. You have to delete it, right, from here. Now press shift, press this colon, then F. So this one is a F17, and then type 1 7, and then press shift key, close the bracket, and then press enter. So this will give the answer of these two values, which is sum, right? So in this way you can use the on-screen keyboard. So this is very useful and hope you will like this video. So